So, ayun, no? Tapos na. Yung isa. Uwi na. Uwi na po.
Yung meron ka may sarili lang. Catherine Bernardo. Hindi ka na sa
Parang DJ lang. Kailangan mo na ako pag may magsalita. Kailangan mo may magsalita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish.
Ay, mag-love? Si Dad.
Sumagot siya, oh.
Oo, nasagot to. Sabi mo, I love you, baby, Amyan. Oh, what's your name daw?
Nakabot ka niya.
Oh, ito ka.
Hi, baby. Alan.
Kuya Toby. Oh, say, I'm Kuya Toby.
I'm Kuya Toby. I love you.
Anak, wag sa head, anak. Sabi mo, ikaw yung pinagpe-pray namin. Ang cute-cute, nakikinig siya, oh. No, Amyan, kikinig ka?
Amyan. I'm Amyan pala.
Amyan. Nakatingin sa camera si Amyan.
Ikaw ba si ano? Ikaw ba si Adrian Jr.?
Adrian Jr.
Adrian Jr. ba yan? Ha? Tingin. Hi guys! We're now here sa Maybach.
Eh, nakantin na lang. Internalize muna siya.
Oh, picture. Wait lang. Dali, babe. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pablo kayo na nagbablo. Nagbablo. 1, 2, 3.
Uy! Sabi ito. Okay.
Chris.
Ha?
Tabi niyo lang dyan sa isda. Yan, dyan.
Kain na ako, Jay.
Vloggeries eh.
Puro nga yung bako.
Saan ka ba? Dito tayo. Saan tayo? Kasama ka. Dito na nag-cheeseburger. Piana, bakit ang ganyan? Minions natin, no? Grabe na yun. Masukal na dito, guys. Here is mama baby. And tatay. Come on. Si tatay ang... Sabi dito ka, video ako kay Auntie Bill. Say hi kay tatay.
Grandpa.
Spider. Oh, there's a
Tatay Dabang.
spider.
Tatay Dabang.
Just another reason why kids love the Cybertruck.
Doon kami picturean kita anak para mata ni Mami Bet.
Alright, so let's put a racing stripe all the way down our Lamborghini, like starting here, all the way down.
Kasi si Nabioli, di ba Davao din ang pagkakakilala kay tatay?
Bakit nang pinanganak si tatay? Message mo si Mami Bit.
Mama. Tobelius. Paano matayo kita yung ilaw? Pian ko mo tissue. Tissue daw, tissue. Samgyup. Babay din kay Grandpa Eddie. There's Dad. Si ate hindi nakasama kasi dumating yung mga friends niya sa bahay. Subukan na lang namin siya dalhin dito ng Monday para magbabay kay Grandpa Eddie. Dito sa museo namin, dito ang daddy ko, ang mga lolo at lola ko sa side ni Mama, tito ko, yung motor, pinsan ko, ayan, mga tito ko at tita ko. Second siya, pero di na kami papanik. Daddy! Si Mama. Dito tayo sa balik na kami ngayon. Nandito si Ate Tian na hindi nagpaalam kay Grandpa Eddie last Saturday ba? Sunday? Saturday. Pupunta kami sa dentist for dental appointment. Si Dad, si Ate, and si Hobby. Say hi si Baby. Say hi everyone. Hey, we're here na in the dentist. Si Ate muna. Ito na po si Fiona. Miyak pa kami ni Dad ng peace. Hi guys, kami na nak.
Okay, mommy's turn. Yun siya. Nervous siya, guys.
Ganda ate. Shades na shade siya. Ba't ito ang ganda ng pagka-block ng kaibigan? Para ka na talaga.
Ganyang black talaga yun.
Malapit kasi yung test natin.
Ganda.
Kung matagal na matagal sa
Daddy naman. Try sa new. Sir. Yung kay Toby Daddy. Nasaan na? Wow! May IC, babe. Baba, ba't ang taas yan? Pogi naman. May IC, baby.
Okay siya, oh.
Yan. How much is that, ate?
Ayun.
48.
Nakapita, oh.
Sorry mo na? Ito naman sa amin ni ate. So, 130 na yung size na kinuha namin sa dry sweat pants. Tapos, ito, may heat tech din for Toby. Black na, Dad. So, kuha tayo ng heat tech na 120 na black. Ayun, walang 120 na black. Tanong tayo. So, yun ang heat tech namin, guys. Like,
Ha?
Lovey! Where are we? Lovey! You're not even scared? Where are we? Oh, ay, saan pa ko? Ayan na, mamimiss namin yan.
240 pa naman.
Okay. Alam mo na kami.
Heaven is our greatest witness, how we rush our process. But no one ever emotionally prepare us from the moment that you have to say goodbye to your family and friends. And the only way you'll get to see them again is just through the screens. Your friends and family are making memories together while you watch from afar, and you will miss so many milestones with them. When you pack your life up and move to a different country, when you left so many people you love, but they still support your dreams, even though they have to see you leave them out from afar, you can't help but feel a little guilty. But we'll always hold a hope that one day we can all be together again. No matter how much we prepare ourselves to leave behind our family and friends to pursue our dreams in another country, saying goodbye will always be painful. So cherish every moment. There will always be the feeling of homesickness, not just to a place, to the language, but also for the people we grew up with. Leaving our home for another country was one of the hardest decisions we ever made. But we have to take a little leap and chase our dreams. The truth is, we are never ready, but we have to be brave enough to try. Because the best things in life lay on the other side of fear. With our 10 suitcase, where we packed our whole lives and one-way ticket, lots of courage and faith, and we are ready to face what God has in store for us. Living doesn't make us less loyal to our roots. It just means we are choosing a version of our life younger self once dreamed of. It will not always be easy, but thank you to my Daddy Eddie and Mama Emma, Papa Mike and Mama Baby for all the sacrifices for us to have this nursing degree possible so we can give a good life to our kids. Thank you, Lord, for a new chapter in your life. To our dear family and friends, especially our little baby Cassie and Mama, we will see you all again soon.
Thank you for watching.